Hi, I'm Sam from Barn2. As a business owner, you know that accurate shipping calculations are crucial for building trust and satisfaction with your customers. In fact, almost half of all cart abandonments happen due to unexpected shipping fees, which makes sense. No one wants to be surprised by the shipping costs at checkout. So, by instead providing your customers with clear and upfront shipping costs, you can help them feel confident in their purchase and more likely to convert to a sale. Unfortunately, the options for the default WooCommerce Shipping Calculator are very limited, and that's where the WooCommerce Shipping Calculator plugin comes in. This lightweight plugin allows your customers to check the shipping cost to their address before they even add the product to their cart. This means they can make an informed decision about whether to proceed with their purchase or not, leading to higher customer satisfaction and fewer abandoned carts. So if you want to provide your customers with the best possible shopping experience and increase your conversions, consider upgrading your site with the WooCommerce Shipping Calculator. Check the description for a link to purchase and download the plugin, which as always is covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee. But wait, doesn't WooCommerce already have a built-in shipping calculator? Well, yes, but to be honest, it's not great. In reality, it's significantly limited by being restricted to the cart and/or checkout pages, which means that customers can't see the shipping costs until they're in the final stages of completing their purchase. So how does Barn2's plugin solve this? The WooCommerce Shipping Calculator allows customers to calculate shipping costs on the product page before they even add the products to their cart. It still uses the calculator provided by WooCommerce, but puts you in control of where customers can see it. This improves transparency, reduces surprises at checkout, and ultimately leads to a better customer experience. Now let's talk about how to install and set up the plugin on your site. Installation is easy. After downloading the zip file from your purchase confirmation, log into your WordPress site and navigate to Plugins, Add New. Then we'll click the Upload Plugin button, choose the zip file or drop it here, click Open, and finally install. The setup wizard should launch automatically, but if not, you can also manually launch it from the plugin settings page here. Add your license key in the first step and click Activate. You can always find your license key in the email confirmation we sent you or by logging into your account on barn2.com. Next, we can choose where to display the shipping calculator on our product pages. I'll go into a little more detail about this. For now, I'm just going to choose above the Add to Cart button, and then we'll take a look at some of the other locations in a moment. Finish the setup wizard and go to the settings page. Now we just need to make sure that our shipping zones and options are set up correctly. Click on Shipping Zones near the top on the left, and make sure you have these correctly set up for your store. One key thing to note is that if you don't ship worldwide, consider disabling the shipping options under the Locations Not Covered by Your Other Zones tab. And finally, under Shipping Options, I recommend checking both of these first two boxes. Now go back to the shipping calculator on the settings page, and we can see the position is set to above the Add to Cart button. Let's see what that looks like on our site. Here's a simple product page with the shipping calculator added above the Add to Cart button. Our customer can change their address here and update to see how their address affects the shipping costs. Now from the settings page, let's change the location to something else. For example, let's add it as an extra tab after the product description. Save changes and refresh the page. Now you can see that under the description, we have shipping, and customers can use the shipping option from down here. It's not quite as obvious as when we had it near the Add to Cart button, but it's still available on the product page. Let's change it one more time to above the short description. So now you can see we have the title, the price, the short description, the shipping calculation, and finally the Add to Cart button. But really, we have options to place this shipping almost anywhere on the page. So that's been a quick overview for the WooCommerce Shipping Calculator plugin. Make sure to check out the description for product links and more information. You already know that accurate shipping calculations are critical to building trust with your customers and increasing sales. By upgrading to this powerful plugin, you can ensure that customers have the best shopping experience and are more likely to return in the future. And if you're looking for a customizable product cost calculator, we have a plugin for that too, which you can learn about in this video here. And of course, thanks for watching.